guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am showing you guys some appetizers and a mini dessert. In this video I did post a poll on my community tab and you guys selected this video, so if you want to see what I am making for a baby shower or any type of event, just keep on watching. So the first appetizer or finger food is what we call sandwiches de mezcla. That's how you say it. I hope it is how I pronounce it. I'm not very great with my Spanish, but it is what it is. But if you guys are Hispanic, you already know what's happening and what's going down. And I already showed you the ingredients, which was Spam, cheese whiz, pepper, and some bread. Oh my god, the struggle there. But all you really have to do is chop up the Spam, put one of the peppers with all the juice into the blender, and put the cheese whiz, blend it all up until it's nice and smooth. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Do not have it chunky because that's just gross. So just as simple as that, honestly. And my mom did put half a cup of milk in it to make it more smooth and actually blend easier, but that's just pretty much it, guys. It's so delicious. I eat this like non-stop every time I go to a party. I actually eat it all, which is really horrible, but it's so yummy, I swear. So once it's all smooth and creamy, all you have to do is just make your sandwiches. So what we like to do in our household is just put it on the bread, not all the way to the corner, because we're going to slice off the crust part, I guess just to make it look a little fancier, and then we cut it into triangles, and you guys will see me cut it up in just a few seconds. That's how it looks like. It's the best thing ever, guys. I ate half a bag of the bread. You know, this is just like a little show, so I don't want it to go to waste, so I might as well eat it. You already know, but it's so delicious and super easy and super affordable.
I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling I go when I sit what we had. Won't you come on over?
So my second appetizer is buffalo chicken dip, and these are the ingredients. And what you pretty much do is shred the chicken with your hands, and you could also get cheddar in a bag, but I thought I bought some and that's all I had, so I ended up just shredding it. I'm not going to show you how to shred cheddar because it's as simple as it is. I know you see the dog in the background, guys. This is just for us, not anybody else. Is not for a party, so please don't come at me because there's a dog in the kitchen that lives there. But anyways, guys, what you want to do first is melt the butter, and then you're going to make your buffalo sauce, which is just hot sauce and butter. And that's what you just do until just a few seconds, until it gets like bubbly, and then you just start to add everything in, and it's just as simple as that, guys. Super yummy, super simple, super fast.
Since always smarter when in hindsight, but baby I don't care to win. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling I go when I sit what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you
looks like. It's really cheesy, so good. And I wanted to be fancy and put it in appetizer cups. You guys don't need to do that, but I feel like if you just want like a finger food, they could just grab some tortilla chips, and then there you go. That way people don't overeat like me. But that's how it looks like in little appetizer cups, and I feel like it's nice and fancy. A little dessert in here because I really wanted some tres leches. I did make this on my channel before, so I am going to put it below in this description box if you want more further detail. But since I've done this, I am just going to not really go in depth on it, but you could see me here just putting all 3 milks together. The regular milk is just 1 can of the sweet condensed milk, and that's it. And you just mix it all up. I added some cinnamon this time, which is super yummy. And yeah, it's super simple. It is time consuming, so it is, because you had to cut it up the squares, the pound cake, and put it into the appetizer. With this, just have it overnight, 24 hours. That way the milk can soak into the pound cake and it'll be nice and moist in the morning.
No, I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
So I just took a fork and just poked holes into the pound cake, and then you will see me in just a few seconds just add some of the liquid inside the cup, and then eventually I will top it with Cool Whip and add some strawberries on top. So I'll let you guys see that right now. Super simple, even though it is time consuming. Probably could do it a faster way, but this is how I did it, and I feel like this is a cute little quick snack somebody could grab and eat, and it's so delicious.
Yeah, I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words, no. Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. For we were cruel.
So this one's random because I was not going to film this. However, my sister-in-law was making these this day. So I was like, hey, let me just record you, because this is actually a really good appetizer idea as well, or a finger food, whatever you guys want to call it. And you just pretty much take some jalapeno peppers, cut the stems off, cut it in the middle, and scoop out the seeds. Then in a blender, you just mix the bacon, the cheese, and the sour cream, and you just stuff the peppers. That's just pretty much it. Eventually, you will see her top the peppers with some cheddar cheese, and you put it in the oven for 350 and for 45 minutes, and then you have some yummy jalapeno peppers. It is very time consuming. Well, not time consuming, but make sure you wear gloves because you don't want to touch your eyeball and then burn your face off, because you know jalapenos be really spicy. But there you go, you see all that being blended, all nice and delicious.
Baby, can we talk about it? There's something that I need to say to you. Don't say I'm never honest. Ay. Well, baby, should we lie about it? Do we still pretend that we're okay? Like nothing's going on here. Cause I don't have any feelings to hurt, and all you got is a serious words. There's nothing to do about it. Tell me the truth about it. That I got no tears left to cry. Can you just look me in the eye and tell me we messed up and you dress up for the part? You're so unpredictable. In the morning, in the evening, when we lie in bed and you go in my head and I lose all control.
So the last thing I am doing is the basic pigs in the blanket. I wanted to be really fancy and make like little those piggies, and like wrap it up like a baby, but my camera fell and I broke it, so I was not in the mood to get all fancy. But I feel like these pigs in the blankets, everybody could just quickly eat, pop in their mouths. The perfect finger food. Is also super delicious. You could also add cheese on it, but I ended up not doing it. And all you have to do is take some croissant dough, roll it out, cut it into strips, and then just roll it in the little pig blankets, and there you go. That's as simple as that.
In the evening, when we lie in bed and you go in my head and I lose all control. And I'm sorry, I can't take it no more. I'm done with the same color. You're so unpredictable.
So guys, that is it for this video. I hope I gave you some food ideas for your next event. If I did, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Please guys, hit that notification bell. Greatly appreciate it. It really supports my channel if you are notified every time I upload a video. Also subscribe, comment, like. I already said this, but yeah guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.